Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jinsu, and as you can see from the title of the video, yes, we broke the Splitgate 2 Battle Royals world record.
52? They just set world record.
It's funny because I was actually AFK in the beginning of the gameplay, as you will see in the video. If you guys want to keep up with my gameplays and the nasty clips that I'm hitting, high kill games, I am live over on Twitch. If you guys want to go drop me a follow, it would mean a lot to me. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video, man.
It's almost time to drop.
Glacier's hot drop.
We're dropping.
Jinsu's
Look at these kids playing
One eternity later.
in the window. I got
Bro,
tagged.
just pull us. I'm not here.
No, we gotta get a start, nigga.
Bro, are you serious right now?
We have bots here, nigga. I'm not leaving shit.
He's tagged over here on me.
Get the finish. I'm ping. Okay. One more on Jay. Kill the nigga on Jay.
Tagged on me.
Tag on that. Fuck. Oh, there's still mad people here, bro. Hey, look.
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Yo, on the hill.
Wait, why am I Meridian? What the fuck?
Deep. Tag. Don't think.
He's tagged.
We'll have a UAV with you.
There's three of them. Pushing from behind right now.
Shield.
Oh, they have a wall.
Tag.
Tag them both. I'm about to just kill him. Killed one. We can shot from behind.
Kill him.
Wait, there's a whole other team pushing up.
Get out.
Alright, I'm back. I'm going right. Back where they were at. Oh my god.
No way I just died for that, right? I just fucking died because you were mid-air jumping. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, you like cleared that little jump and I spawned mid-air.
Get on me. Weak. There's one shot on me.
Get kills. Don't worry about the tap so much if you're about to die. Stay alive, Jay.
I'm dead.
Don't peek up. Go play, Jay. Shit. Stay up. Shit, I'm up. We can hold them. We can hold all these niggas.
Yeah, I'm getting in front of him right now.
Hey, Jay, right here.
Okay, I see that. He's not picking me.
So many tags on these niggas in front of us.
The kid's one. The kid's one in front of me.
Hey, don't shoot her.
I got
That kid's also one. The kid in front of me.
I tagged him, Zandy.
I know.
Kid's bullet. I'm on far left.
Kid's in front of us.
He's tagged. Still hurts. You want to get in here with me or what?
That's one. Right here in the back.
Right here, tag.
Nowhere near you. I'm nowhere near you. If you have to kill him, kill him.
I killed him.
Rotate. We gotta rotate. This zone is closing in.
Rotate
Just
left,
get
rotate
this portal in front.
Alright, I'm coming.
Oh,
I'm putting a UAV
I
up
left
right
my
now.
portal.
The kid's weak in front of me. Jones.
Another one up here.
Where's he last?
Tagged up top. Kill him.
Kid's dead. That kid's dead. Top.
Alright,
Right
rotate.
here. Ping. Tag them.
I see that.
I'm dead. They're aiming me.
Tag.
Gotcha. Killed one. Leave the other kid.
Right here.
One side.
Last guy.
This kid's on my right. Comes over.
He's gonna run.
Rotate.
Rotate far left. Fuck that nigga.
Go to fracture. Oh, right here. There's kid right here. Kids right here.
He's spawning. He's spawned back in.
I just tagged him.
Heads up and play.
I'm playing far left here.
Spawning on hurts.
Kid on live ping.
I need one of those fucking guns.
Damn.
I need
I don't got shit, bro.
That's fine. Just get in first and we hold these idiots. Right here in front of me. Tag, Jay.
Tag.
Get a Jay.
I'm getting
Yeah, I
him.
just killed him.
One right next to you over here. Let's go. Let's rotate left right here. He's gonna be right here in front of me.
Oh, you're way ahead of us. I'm coming though.
Tag.
I'm
I'm
coming.
not gonna finish him. I don't have plates anyways.
Halfway there.
That was a wipe. There's another team.
I got a tag on him. Another kid.
I'm getting far from behind.
They have a shield. Yeah, Jinsu, get you up.
You gotta kill him.
I got the
taps
kill
on
the
close
shield.
right.
Kill that kid.
Alright.
An angel.
I need to go for his plates, bro, because I don't have plates.
There's a whole team behind us.
Where we
He
just
took
came
all
from?
the plates. He took all. No, I got.
Right here, tag.
Coming,
I got tags on all these kids. I have tags on all of them.
Coming.
Leave one.
Telling me.
One's one shot.
Just kill him.
Kill those kids on you. Kill those
Shoot
kids.
him. I tagged him.
Last kid.
No, he's not. He has a teammate behind. I'm positive. No, bro. I saw his teammate was behind.
No,
I swear I saw his teammate.
Take another team in the back. They just stand.
Yeah.
Right here, behind.
Kid's weak. That kid's one. On your left. He's running straight through.
Tag one.
Nice.
Tag. Get him.
I can't get him from right here.
Let's go now, Jay.
Just finish him.
I see him.
You heard me?
To your left,
Right here on top of me. I tagged him.
I tagged him too.
Is that the last guy? That's the last.
I didn't know it was the last guy.
Right here on me. Right here, tagged.
Looking. That kid's tagged, yeah. In front of me, on my life thing.
I tagged him. You can finish.
Where? He's right here on the
I
corner.
tagged him.
Got him.
Shit. Team of 3. His teammates in front of us.
Alright, we only have 5 teams, bro. We only have 5
We
teams.
We can still farm the shit out of them.
I know.
I'm hitting this lift shit right
portal,
here.
hit portal, yeah.
I'm hitting the boost.
Leave your portal.
Go shield. He's tagged. Help me. I'm running away.
I got tags on him.
Can't tag him.
Get the finish if you can.
Flash this.
Let's get the finish. Just get the finish, boy.
Juice boy red. Tagged.
I'm rapping
Juice
right
boy
now.
red right here. One shot.
I'm looking.
He's not one shot. He's one shot. Right there to the right. Get the
Kids on me.
finish.
Well done.
Kids on me.
What the fuck?
Yeah, there was 2 weeks over there. I got no plates anymore.
This yellow nigga's right here.
That kid close to you is weak. Leave that kid. Alright, there's one more.
I think he got in the next world, bro.
Okay.
Some more to our right, though?
What
You
a
fucking
Ping.
Tempest, tag.
I tagged him. You can
That
finish.
shit, dragon.
I didn't get no tags.
There's a kid close left. Kill close left.
This kid. I killed him. I killed that kid
Alright,
close up.
Dragon's right
Leave the other
here.
kid.
Killed Dragon. Dragon died. He died to the lava.
Alright, go in next roll.
We just have to farm that. We still got time. Oh,
wait. What's the buy? We need shield, bro.
Right here in front of us.
I got no fucking plates.
Yeah, this gold chest event, I think. Right in front of us.
Right in front of us, let's get these.
I got no plates right now.
Got a ping too as well. Let's push the kids to the left.
Right here, snipe. One shot. Close up.
Right here. Ping. I don't want to finish him.
I got
him.
tags on.
Over here,
I
tag them. Over here,
Wait,
follow me.
stay up.
Another team.
Alright, it's just 3 of you. You're good. Fight.
Stay up.
Drop incoming.
Shit.
I'm not gonna use the deadbolt because I don't want. We need everyone to tag.
No. This can.
Yeah, from like back here. I'm about to scan real quick.
Low-key, one Meridian isn't bad.
Nah.
No, right here. On my left thing.
Coming to you, Jay.
2. Straight ahead.
I'm coming right now.
Literally on you, Quay.
That's actually
Right under.
Right on me, on rockets,
I need a tag.
I gotta
Kids
kill
weak.
him.
Like, those kids are weak. I'm looking over here now.
Quay. Hey, come with me.
I'm here.
That kid on you. It's weak, hurts. That kid on you is weak. Chow that. Oh, you dead.
No, I didn't want to just wait, bro.
Right here.
You're the last
Stay
two
with
up.
me,
You're last
Quay.
2 up. Last 2 up. You have to live. You're pushing another team behind you, Jensen, to your left.
I'm running for right.
Guys gotta push in. Got 12.
Right here. Stay with me, Quay.
I'm not pushing. Help me in.
Yeah, behind me. I'm running. I'm plating. Right here to my right.
Scanning.
Tagged him. He's 1.
Shot this kid in. Shot yellow cost.
Yeah, we.
Okay, yellow cost is 1 shot.
Behind, right here. Got him.
Underground.
Tag
Speedy
both
one.
of them. Tag both of them right here.
Listen, Les.
Can you help?
Good.
Leave that.
That kid's tagged.
Let me
Which
tag.
name? Say names.
Yellow
Let me
cost is
tag,
weak.
let me
Yellow
tag.
cost is weak.
Yellow
That
one,
kid's
yellow
weak.
one.
Kill him.
Last. Alright, last
Leave
kid
him up.
Jones.
Leave him up.
They spawn.
Right here. Left. Tag them on the left.
Tag them both. I take
Tag both of them.
Nice.
You can kill
Below
one.
you, Quay.
Just get the one on the right. Get the one on the right.
Kill that kid.
Leave him.
Last kid.
Above you.
Did he spawn in yet? Get away from him. Get away from him.
Can I get the fuck up?
Call it by names.
Okay,
Jones. Kill Jones. Kill fucking Jones. Kill YOLO. Kill YOLO, Jones, and Red.
Jones dead. Jones dead.
I got him all week.
Kill the yellow. Kill the yellow.
I got him all week. I got him all week.
Alright.
I got my tag on YOLO. Kill YOLO.
I got my tag on yellow. Yeah, I got my tag on yellow.
How'd you play? Right, last hit.
We should have killed this kid. This kid's like fucking. Next time, kill this kid.
Okay.
Alright, when you spawn and kill that kid, yeah.
Wait, I died from that?
Get it?
I didn't rotate around? I thought I would rotate it around fast enough. We break it here. We break it here. We break it here.
Hey, spawn. I'm killing Juice.
Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Kill Juice.
I
Kill
just got
Juice.
back.
I got
Right here.
tabs. I got tabs.
I got tabs. That's all you.
I tagged him.
Juice.
Alright, I'm
Get
killing him.
it. All spawn in.
Alright, YOLO, kill you.
Kill yellow.
Tag
I
both
got
of
my
them. Get
tabs.
finished.
Last side,
Get
Jones.
Ben. Get Ben.
Get Ben.
Get Ben. Oh my god, we're gonna break it. We're gonna break it.
No, okay.
Where's Ben? I don't even get fucking Ben.
He's right in front.
Wait for me to come back. I'm back.
Wait, don't even peek him.
No.
Shit.
Just run away from him.
I'm even on the top. Spawn in. Kill Juice. Tap him.
Get juice.
Kill him.
Alright.
Get yellow.
Yo.
Tap him.
I
Let me tap.
You just follow him, Jinsu.
I tapped. You're good.
I tap Juice.
I'm killing
I got
fucking
juice. I got
bend
yellow.
over. Bend overs. One.
Got him.
Last guy.
I didn't tap him.
Last guy.
Leave him.
That's fucking me up. Holy shit.
Leave him.
Let's get fuck off. Holy shit.
Don't go next to him. Just stay what I'm doing. I'm like crouched behind the mountain.
I get plates.
I don't have any.
One in.
Get yellow. I tagged him.
Tagged him. I kill it. Killing Jones.
I tagged Jones.
I killed Yellow. One shot.
Get yellow.
Yo.
Last.
Last guy.
7 seconds.
Make sure he doesn't win too. I spawned up. He's right here. He spawned.
You spawn?
Wait. No.
No.
I'm gonna pop my ult when he spawn in.
They spawn. Get juice. Get juice.
I tagged him. Just kill him.
Oh my god.
Just look away from him.
Oh, he spawned. Bend over.
Get yellow.
I got both taps. Kill him.
Last. Oh my god. This kid is so ass.
I got my fucking menu up. Leave me alone.
Don't die.
He's on shit.
Yeah.
I will boom him if he.
Keep farming. We're about to set a record, my brother.
He's right. Yo, juice.
Let me come in.
Yo, Ben.
We're gonna die if we let you come in.
Yeah. Kill him.
Don't kill them all. Don't kill them all.
Kill one. Leave one.
Kill him. No. Kill him.
Oh my god.
Oh my, 52, Quay? 52?
Is that enough?
I think
Yes,
we beat it.
nigga.
100%. We
Wait,
dropped 30. He had
52? Wait. 52? Quay just set world record. Holy fucking shit. Oh my fucking god.
163.
We just
Let's fucking go, nigga.
163.
just beat it.